Let's take a look at our lowercase s and r. So our lowercase s is going to start on the bottom line. I'm going to slant up to the dotted line. Then we're just going to make a little circle, a little half circle here, down to touch and out. Up to the dotted line, slant up to the dotted line. We don't want a straight up and down line like this, because that way our s is kind of standing up straight. And we want it slanted a little bit. And then we're going to make a little half circle, touch, and out. So what we don't want here is we don't want it laying so far on its side that it's laying on its belly. We want it to come up and touch the dotted line, around and out. And make sure that this space right here, we don't want a huge space like that. We want just a little space there in the middle. We also don't want it to come all the way back and touch. There needs to be a little gap there, and then out. And there's our lowercase s. Now our lowercase r can be done a couple different ways. The easiest way, I think, to do it is you're going to go up, over, and around. So you're going to go up to the dotted line, over, you're going to slant down a little bit, and then make an around. Kind of like a little circle back there. It looks like a C. So up, over, around, up, over, around, up, over, around. I think that's probably the easiest way to make an R. A couple things with this is that you don't want it to go so far back. When you go around, you don't want to go super far back like that. And we also don't want it to look like a square. We don't want it to go down like that and around. It needs to be a tip, and you go straight back, not like a square. And also when we're making these R's, we need to come all the way up to the dotted line. It's important that we're touching the bottom line and the dotted line. And then when you come over, we don't want to go straight across. We want to slant down a little bit, slant down towards the ground, and then around, just like that. And there's our lowercase s and r.